You know, guys, I'm not a purist. But that's just wrong. That's wrong. Hey guys, check it out. I finished checking all of the resistors in this Hallicrafters. That 150 ohm guy right there, I can't live with that one. 200 ohms. That's beyond 20% out, but that's the only one. I was going to talk about line cord safety. I think I'll wait till I do the Heathkit video, the HW16 video. That'll surely bring out, you know what, guys? There's terrible, terrible people out there. You know what they're called? The line cord police. I'm going to piss off the line cord police. I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. You want to see something truly terrible on this Hallicrafters S-120? Check it out. See that pot? It's the BFO pot. Without that, you could not tune in a single sideband or a CW signal because this is an AM radio. I took that panel off, hoping to get to the nut on that pot so I could remove the pot and take it apart. Been having a hard time cleaning it. And after I took that panel off, I forgot about the cork. Do you guys know what that... Their cork covered this side too, but I took it off, obviously. Do you know what that cork is for, guys? Do you know what that's for? That's where the screw goes in for this panel. I turned the receiver on its back. I generally don't like to flood pots with alcohol or other cleaner, but this, I had no choice. It was really bad. And I turned it on its back so I could flood it. And I put a bunch of toilet paper under there to absorb the excess alcohol. And I worked it. I worked the pot a whole bunch of times. It seems to have fixed it, at least for now. The ohm meter needle rises and falls really smoothly as I rotate the pot. No more, oh God, no more of this crap. You know what I mean? I'm going to pause you, but let me grab my knob. I want to show you something awful. So I went to take the nut off on this pot. Look. Where's the nut? There isn't one. I can't believe it, man. That pot has 2 tabs. They stuck it through a hole and soldered it. Now, how am I supposed to melt that? Even with this, doesn't touch it. And if you were going to, you better take that plastic dial off. What a drag. That's why, in a last-ditch attempt to clean it and repair it, I turned the radio on its back and completely flooded that part, man. And, like I said, seems to have fixed it. I was getting ready to take it out of there. That's why I disconnected it. But I'm going to wait until tomorrow, till that switch has evaporated completely. I'll check it again with the VTVM, and if it's still seemingly good, I'll connect the wires and such. What a drag. When I saw that, I was like, what?